That is so cool. Yeah, it's the 2025. That is so cool. That is so cool. Damn. Oh, whoops.
The fuck is that?
Alright guys, so oh, that is a good size. So we bought the Yoshi cup and we get a free drink, and then throughout the whole day it's $1.50 to refill, so it's pretty cool. I love my little Yoshi. He reminds us of Ozzy, so we're really happy that we got him. He came out to $22 with our pass, but it's like $24 I believe. So yeah. actually really cool. Huh? I feel like they could have added more.
This one is small.
This one is small. I hate seeing the Orlando one.
This back alley is like...
Seriously. I love seeing that.
Like actress moms.
The whole thing.
And that's hundreds of years of Hogwarts history in a few short hours.
I know. I'm still trying to see. I'm gonna get the red one. Yeah. Alright guys, I've got my favorite Mario drink. Richard has his favorite. He likes it a little spicy, but I love this one. We always come and get this. This is our favorite drink in the whole park. So we love it. But everyone's going home, but we just rode Harry Potter, so we had a lot of fun. But yeah, we're just here at our favorite place.
It comes with, I think, 3 different sauces.
Oh, it does?
Yeah, can we get that?
Pretty cool. So,
It comes with...
the hell?
I don't know, they're all weird colors.
Okay.
This is like a random. I want to be done with this stuff already.
Alright guys, so we actually missed FanFest last week. We are going this Thursday. It was crazy last week, so we missed it unfortunately, but we managed to save tickets and we're going this Thursday. So we're just here looking at the rides. It looks like there's going to be a pop-up of Yoshi's, so I'm excited for that. Sailor Moon and Scooby-Doo is going to be in the studio lot, so I cannot wait to take you guys with me. I'm super excited for that. It's our very first time, so we have no idea what to expect. Obviously I've seen like online and stuff like that, but yeah, overall we're just enjoying being here. This is our favorite spot. Rich is just looking at like how the attractions work and stuff like that, because we have the app and it tells us. So yeah, we're just enjoying, manifesting, you know, that's what we do. That's what we've been doing since day one. But yeah, let's chill for a little bit, then go home. And tomorrow's gonna be the crazy day because we're gonna go to get to take that test for Richard for his real estate. He's nervous, but he will do good. He better. No, I'm just kidding. That's actually pretty cool. Oh, I like these things. Oh, here they are. What are you? 65. Oh, look at this. That's actually pretty cool. Let's see, how cool. $30. What is that? Is that a wolf? Look how cool these are.
This is from...
I actually like this.
Yeah, the SpongeBob
right?
Is actually kind of cool.
It's a big bag.
It's a huge toad. Like
Duck.
Yeah, we didn't get the duck.
I am Yoshi. I love these. I think I will get this one. Richard is going to take his test, so I'm so proud of him. It's in this office. We're like literally so close to Anaheim.